Stop scrolling if you want to redefine sustainability in your home. When we talk about making eco-friendly choices, windows are often overlooked. Yet choosing the most sustainable window can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. The problem lies in the fact that not all windows are created equal. Traditional windows often use materials or manufacturing processes that are far from eco-friendly and can be energy inefficient. The solution? Flush casement composite windows. Why? They're incredibly durable, have excellent insulation properties, and their production has a lower environmental impact compared to traditional materials. Composite windows can last longer than UPVC or wood, reducing the need for replacements and ultimately leading to less waste. Plus, their energy efficiency can help lower your utility bills by keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. If you're keen to make a sustainable choice for your home and planet, composite windows are the way to go. Want to learn more about making your home eco-friendly with the most sustainable window options? Leave a comment or send us a message. Let's make sustainable living achievable, one window at a time. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video.